Welcome to Extend Office channel. This guide will delve into the Quick Analysis tool in detail, offering examples to illustrate its practical application. In this video, we'll delve into the Quick Analysis tool, guiding you to its location, offering 5 practical examples to demonstrate its usage, and presenting solutions for situations where the Quick Analysis tool is not visible. What is Quick Analysis? The Quick Analysis tool in Excel is a dynamic feature that offers immediate access to various analytical tools, like formatting, charts, totals, tables, Sparklines. It simplifies the process of analyzing complex datasets, making it easier to visualize and understand data trends and patterns. Where is Quick Analysis tool? Unlike traditional Excel features found on the ribbon or menus, the Quick Analysis tool operates discreetly. Start by selecting the data range you want to analyze. Click the Quick Analysis button in the bottom right corner of the selected range to display the menu. The Quick Analysis menu offers different categories for data analysis. Hovering over an option previews the effect. And clicking it applies the feature. If Quick Analysis tool is not visible, you can press Ctrl and Q keys to bring it up. Note, this feature is inactive on blank cells, columns, or rows. How to use Analysis tool. Excel's Quick Analysis tool is a powerful feature that offers quick access to various data analysis methods. Let's dive into each of its 5 categories, exploring their applications, suitable scenarios, and some practical examples. Formatting. Used for visually distinguishing data based on certain criteria, like highlighting top values or identifying duplicates. The available options depend on the data type you selected. For numeric data, you can use data bar, color scales, icon sets, top 10%, greater than a specific value to highlight the relevant values. For dates, you can color the dates in last month, last week, or greater than, less than, equal to a specific date. For texts, you can highlight the duplicates or unique values. For example, highlight the values that greater than 1200 in a column. Select the column that you want to highlight the values greater than 1200. Click the Quick Analysis button. Go to the Formatting tab and click Greater. In the popping Greater Than dialog, type 1200 into the left text box. Then specify the highlight type in the right drop-down list. Then click OK. Now the values which are greater than 1200 are highlighted with specific color. Keyboard shortcut for Quick Analysis formatting, press Ctrl and Q keys, then press F key. Charts. Ideal for visualizing data patterns and trends. It offers various chart types like bar, column, line, and pie charts. For example, create a chart based on a dataset. Select the dataset that you want to create a chart. Click the Quick Analysis button. Go to the Charts tab and choose a chart type. If you want to find more chart types, click More. After clicking the chart is immediately inserted. Keyboard shortcut for Quick Analysis charts, press Ctrl and Q keys, then press C key. Totals. The Totals feature in Excel's Quick Analysis tool allows for quick calculations of various summary statistics like sum, average, count, percentage total, and running total, adapting to your data type. For numeric value, you can sum, count, average, percent total, and do other calculations. For text data, you're limited to the count function, showing the number of cells containing text. For example, sum the total prices. Select the column that you want to sum the total numbers. Click the Quick Analysis button. Go to the Totals tab and choose Sum. Then the sum of total prices is calculated in the last cell of the column in the dataset. Keyboard shortcut for quick analysis totals, press Ctrl and Q keys, then press O key. Tables. Convert your data into a professionally managed Excel table with built-in filtering, sorting, and auto-expansion. For deeper analysis, easily create a pivot table on a new sheet using your selected data. Also, you can directly use its recommended pivot tables. For example, create a pivot table to show the sums of sales amount by departments. Select the dataset that you want to create a pivot table. Click the Quick Analysis button. Go to the Tables tab. Then browse if there is a pivot table you want. If not, click More to create a blank one and specify the rows and columns. Click the style of pivot table you want. Then a new sheet is created with a pivot table. Keyboard shortcut for quick analysis tables, press Ctrl and Q keys, then press T key. Sparklines. These are mini charts placed in single cells, each representing a row of data, ideal for showing trends and patterns. For example, insert Sparklines to each project. Select the dataset that you want to create, insert Sparklines. Click the Quick Analysis button. Go to the Sparklines tab, click Line. Then the Sparklines are inserted at the right column of the dataset. Keyboard shortcut for quick analysis Sparklines, press Ctrl and Q key, then press T key. Why Quick Analysis tool not appear? If the Quick Analysis tool is not appearing, check the Excel options. Click File tab. Navigate to Excel's options. Ensure the Show Quick Analysis options on selection feature enabled in the settings. If it's disabled, enabling it should make the tool accessible. Then click OK to take it effect. That are all contents of this video. Thanks for watching.